In this lesson, we're going to be setting up the kill floor, which is basically just the area in which if we fall into it, then the level is going to get restarted. So, luckily in the 2D package we imported, there is a prefab called kill zone. I'm just going to drag in here. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and if I want to move it around, I'm going to choose the move tool, and it's going to move it up a little closer to this. So something more like that should be fine. Okay, cool. And if we're going to play it, fall down here. Oh, then it reset the level. Cool. So that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is just going to do a little bit of cleanup. Let's go over to the assets folder, and I'm going to make a new folder for these images here. I'm going to right click in there, and I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call this folder, let's see, just images. It's fine. I'll put these two in there. And then make a folder called animation. So animation, and put these in there as well. Okay, now if you want to actually get into how the kill floor works, then you can do is you can click on it and open up the script. And I won't go too in-depth into this, although it's not a very long script. But basically, there's this function on trigger enter 2D, which just checks to see if something has entered the trigger, and the collider is set to be a trigger, I believe. Yep, set to is trigger for the box collider. So it's that box collider is set as a trigger. So if something goes into it, then this stuff here is going to get called. It's going to check to see if what went into it is tagged as the player, and if that is true, then it's going to load the level. Again, it's going to restart the level. And I was going to explain tags to you since that came up just then. If I select my character, the tag is right up here in the inspector, and you can see it is set to player. So that's how it knows, yep, that a player has run into that trigger and then reload the level. So cool, we got all that now. Let's go ahead and just save the level. So file, and then save scene as, and just save it as level 1, and say save. Okay, cool. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.